Once upon a time, in a green and lush jungle, many animals lived together happily. The king of the jungle was Leo the lion. He was strong and brave, and all the animals respected him. Among them lived a clever but cunning fox named Fiona. She was always thinking of ways to create trouble. One day, Fiona went to King Leo and said, "My king, the animals are not following your jungle rules. They talk badly about you behind your back. They don't respect you at all." King Leo trusted Fiona, so he believed her words without asking anyone else. From that day on, King Leo called one animal every day and punished them for not following the rules, even though they hadn't done anything wrong. The animals were shocked and upset. They didn't know why the king had suddenly changed. They started to wonder, why does the king always believe Fiona? Why doesn't he listen to us? Finally, they had enough. One evening, all the animals held a secret meeting near the old banyan tree. The elephant, the deer, the monkey, the parrot, and even the shy tortoise were there. Everyone gave their ideas on how to solve the problem. Then Benny the bunny stood up and shared his clever plan. "We need to show the king Fiona's true face," Benny said. "Let's invite her to a party tomorrow evening. She'll be the chief guest. During the party, we'll act like we're angry at the king. That will tempt Fiona to say bad things about him. Then, I'll bring the king close to hear everything." The next day, they invited Fiona to the party. She came proudly, with her nose in the air, walking like she owned the jungle. She felt important and powerful. The animals welcomed her with delicious food. Fiona's eyes sparkled at the sight. As she enjoyed the food, the animals started talking. "This king is too harsh," said the parrot loudly. "Yes, he doesn't even listen to us," said the deer. Fiona, feeling even more important, joined in. "You're right," she said. "King Leo is not smart. He only listens to me because I'm clever. Without me, he's nothing." Just then, Benny quietly brought King Leo near the party. The king was hiding behind a big bush and heard every word Fiona said. His eyes widened with shock and sadness. When Fiona saw the king stepping out from behind the bush, she dropped her food. Her tail shook with fear. "Fiona!" roared King Leo. "You have been lying to me all along. You turned me against my own animals. I feel ashamed." A real king should listen to all his subjects, not just one voice. All the animals stood together. Benny said, "We never disrespected you, my king. Fiona made all this up to create hate between us." King Leo nodded. "You are right, Benny. You are brave and wise." The next day, the king called the jungle guards and ordered them to punish Fiona for lying and creating trouble. Fiona was taken away, and peace returned to the jungle. And so, the jungle was full of joy and unity once more.